Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to avoid premature grey hair. Grey hair is not just a sign of aging, but it can also happen to young people due to various factors such as genetics, stress, nutrition, smoking, pollution, etc. In this video I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that can help you prevent or delay the onset of grey hair. Our hair colour is determined by a pigment called melanin, which is produced by specialized cells called melanocytes in the hair follicles. As we age, the melanocytes gradually lose their ability to produce melanin, resulting in less pigment in the hair shaft. This makes the hair appear lighter or grayer. However, sometimes the melanocytes can stop working prematurely due to various reasons, such as oxidative stress, hormonal imbalance, autoimmune disease, etc. This causes the hair to turn grey at a younger age than normal. So, how can we avoid this? Well, there is no magic bullet that can guarantee that your hair will never turn grey, but there are some things that you can do to reduce the chances of it happening or slow down the process. Here are some of them. Eat a balanced diet. Your diet plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and colour of your hair. Make sure you eat foods that are rich in protein, iron, zinc, copper, vitamin B12, and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for the production and maintenance of melanin in your hair. Some of the foods that you can include in your diet are eggs, fish, meat, dairy, nuts, seeds, beans, leafy greens, berries, citrus fruits, etc. Avoid smoking and alcohol. Smoking and alcohol are two of the worst enemies of your hair. They can cause oxidative stress, inflammation, and dehydration in your body, which can affect the blood circulation and nutrient supply to your scalp and hair. This can lead to premature greying, hair loss, and other hair problems. Manage your stress. Stress is another major factor that can contribute to premature greying of hair. Stress can affect your hormones, immune system, and nervous system, which can interfere with the functioning of your melanocytes and hair follicles. Stress can also cause you to lose sleep, which can affect your hair health. Therefore, it is important to manage your stress levels and find healthy ways to cope with it. Some of the things that you can do to reduce stress are meditation, yoga, exercise, hobbies, music, etc. Protect your hair from sun and pollution. Sun and pollution can also damage your hair and cause it to lose its colour. Sun exposure can cause UV rays to break down the melanin in your hair, making it lighter and duller. Pollution can cause dirt, dust, and chemicals to accumulate on your scalp and hair, which can clog your pores and affect your hair growth and colour. To protect your hair from these external factors, you should wear a hat or a scarf when you go out in the sun, and wash your hair regularly with a mild shampoo and conditioner. You can also use a hair serum or spray that has SPF and antioxidants to shield your hair from the sun and pollution. Use natural remedies. There are some natural remedies that you can use to prevent or reverse grey hair. These remedies are based on the use of herbs, oils, and other ingredients that can nourish your scalp and hair, stimulate your melanocytes, and restore your hair colour. Some of the natural remedies that you can try are amla or Indian gooseberry. Amla is a rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants, which can boost your collagen and melanin production and prevent oxidative stress in your hair. You can use amla in different ways, such as eating it raw, drinking its juice, applying its oil, or making a paste with it and applying it to your hair. Black sesame seeds. Black sesame seeds are rich in protein, iron, zinc, copper, and other minerals that are essential for your hair health and colour. They can also stimulate your melanocytes and increase your melanin production. You can eat a handful of black sesame seeds every day, or grind them and mix them with some honey and apply it to your hair. Henna. Henna is a natural dye that can give your hair a reddish-brown colour and cover your grey hair. It can also condition your hair and make it soft and shiny. You can use henna by mixing it with some water, lemon juice and coffee and applying it to your hair. Leave it for a few hours and then wash it off with water. These are some of the tips and tricks that can help you avoid premature grey hair. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.